Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. To thank you, Doctor, it appears embarrassing because I am spending more time with you than in my own office. And we have been collaborating for so many months now, and especially after the pandemic began, we have had so much cooperation, collaboration going on between us. So it appears as though, this is part of, we are doing work together, and this brings me, this collaboration, and I thank all the faculty of RGOHS and NIMHANS, Dr. Pradeep, who has kindly agreed. He's the best person. He spoke to us for about 5 minutes in an earlier program, and most of our stress disappeared. So he's the best person to advise us. That brings me, this cooperation and collaboration which we are doing, that brings me to just one point which I want to stress. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಣಗಾರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ ದಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ removing stress. And in the last few weeks I have been reading a book by a historian from Israel, from Tel Aviv University, called Yuval Noah Harari. And Dr. Harari says that why is it human beings, that mankind, navellaru manava janru, why are we dominating all other creatures? We are very small, we are not as big as an elephant or as strong as a lion, but we have managed to bring the entire planet under our dominance. And the reason he says is that we as a group, Homo sapiens we call it, we can cooperate and collaborate with each other. That one thing, that communication which we are able to make across distance, across groups, that is the reason why we are able to dominate the entire planet, both for good or for ill. So that is what is Dr. Harari's hypothesis. And I thought that brings me to this particular situation. In cooperation and collaboration between groups, between people exists for a very long time, for centuries, or from millions of years. But in this pandemic we are seeing that in a very, very rapid and stark way, very visible way, that we are able to cooperate. Now, none of us have seen the virus. We do not know what it does. It's not visible. We cannot touch it. We cannot feel it. But when the doctors tell us that there is this danger, stay home, maintain the precautions, use sanitizer, wash your hands, use face mask, we just do it. Because there is a belief system that we have built up over time, that on that basis we are able to cooperate with one another. And since NSS functionaries are here, NSS has this slogan that not me but you. Now it will be both me and you. Both me and you, us. Because if I am careful, then I am protecting myself and the people around me. If you are careful, you are protecting yourself and the people around you. So this brings the very important point. Those of you who heard me before, I keep saying that corporate social responsibility tara namage personal social responsibility irbeku anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. But this is something bigger than that. There is a collective social responsibility. ಸಾಮೂಹಿಕ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. We as a group, as persons or people gathered together, we have a responsibility towards all of us. And so that collective, as a group, we share that responsibility, and we are seeing that. By and large, people maintain the lockdown guidelines. They are following the advice given by doctors. They are cooperating. Without public cooperation, we could not have done. So in that context, it is important, because we are all exercising our own personal and collective responsibilities. It is important that we are educated properly. ನಾವು ಇಗ್ನರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ there is no use for that. That is the reason why we have chosen this platform, using the best sources available, because there is a lot of wrong information which people believe. So this is the curated wisdom of our medical community and mental health community. That will be brought to you in this workshop and in the workshops which will continue. I want you to be well educated, ask as many questions as you want. Whatever we can address within the time limitations, we will do, others we will address later. We are also thinking of making some FAQs so that general questions can be answered for everybody. And this will be streamed on YouTube as well, so you can refer to it whenever you like. Please listen carefully and benefit from your workshop. With these words, I would like to thank all of you once again.
Thank you.